In this video, we'll go over the Netlify Wix integration step-by-step for users starting with one of our Next.js templates. Whether you came from Netlify or from our Wix Headless template homepage, after you've picked a template, you'll be prompted to create a Wix account or log into your existing account. If you're already logged into Wix, you'll be prompted to choose the project you'd like to connect to the template. If you're new to Wix, a new tab will open for this sign-up process. Go ahead and sign up using your preferred method. After signing up, you'll be able to see the Wix business solutions you'll be getting as part of this chosen template. If you want to use more business solutions, check the appropriate boxes. Once you finish the setup process by naming your business, the Wix dashboard opens. From there, you can access the management system for your business solutions and configure your Wix Headless settings. Let's go ahead and create a new bookings service for this tutorial. We now have our business and are ready to continue with deploying our chosen template on Netlify. To do this, let's go back to the original tab we came from, click Resume Setup, and log in to our account. We'll now be able to see our newly created project and choose it for this integration. In order for your site to be able to communicate with Wix's business APIs, you'll need to authorize it by installing an OAuth application. This OAuth application automatically generates a client ID and integrates it with your deployed site on Netlify. Log into your GitHub account in order to create a repository for your site. After logging in, you'll be able to name your GitHub repository and see the client IDs that generated in the previous step. At this point, the deployment will begin. After the deployment is finished, you'll be able to see your deployed website, which is now connected to your Wix project. Changes you make in the Wix dashboard can now be seen directly on your site. If you have any questions, read more in the Wix documentation portal or contact us directly through our dedicated Headless channel in the Devs on Wix Headless Discord.